Free feeding is the procedure of placing free feed, usually grain, on the ground to attract pigs to come into your baiting location or your trapping location. Free feeding is probably the most important factor when considering baiting or trapping.
There is a legal requirement that you have to free feed at least 3 times.
So you want them pigs coming in, eating your grain and going back and telling their mates to come out and eat the free feed. So when you do put poison feed out with 1080, you know how much grain to put out and also how much 1080 put out.
And the longer you go, the better the results are going to be. Pigs will keep drawing other pigs into that free feed site, and over time you'll continue to get more and more pigs coming onto your feed site.
When it comes to free feeding pigs, most grains are suitable. Most popular, usually wheat, barley, corn, but other things can be used as well, such as sorghum and mung beans. They're also pretty popular as well.
If you are feeding out grain, it's always best to try and soak the grain beforehand.
So you could soak it up to a month in buckets with lids on it because you really want to get that smell out of that grain to attract the pigs to your free feed.
It's always good to try and put some sort of attractant onto the grain. We will use something like molasses, which has a nice, strong, sweet smell, but anything sweet will really help to attract those pigs in.
So if I was starting a program, I would actually put out about 10 kilos or 20 kilos. It all depends how much pig activity there is around.
And then if that feed has all been taken the next day, increase that quantity by 50% again. Keep increasing until you find just a little bit left over on the ground. That will give you a much better understanding of how much grain that you need to poison when it comes to baiting. Free feed, free feed, free feed. It's the most important part of a baiting or trapping program.